Do you always struggle to make easy breakfast for your children? Then try these easy banana pancakes. These are so easy and delicious. Your children will love it and will ask you to make it again and again. Here are the ingredients. We need some milk, banana, wheat flour, jaggery, grated coconut and cardamom powder. To a mixing bowl, add the wheat flour, add jaggery powder, grated coconut, cardamom powder. To a smaller mixing bowl, add a banana and mash it nicely. While mashing the banana, add 2 tablespoons of milk and mash it nicely to make puree. These whole wheat flour banana pancakes are healthy and delicious. Instead of wheat flour, you may even add rice flour or semolina, that is rava. Now pour the banana puree in the larger bowl and mix everything nicely. The best part is that the pancakes are totally eggless and you can make it for breakfast, lunch or even snacks. Add milk and mix well. Ensure that there are no lumps while mixing. Mix well and make nice smooth flowing batter. Look at the consistency of the batter. This is one of my favorite recipes. My kiddo also loves it. Now heat a frying pan and add little ghee, oil or butter. Then add a ladle full of batter and spread it slowly. Have you tried similar type of pancake recipes before? Let me know in comments. Cover the pan and fry the pancakes for around 4 to 5 minutes. Flip the pancakes and continue frying for around 2 to 3 minutes. Healthy, easy and delicious eggless banana wheat flour pancakes are ready. Serve them hot for breakfast or evening snacks. You may even pack it in the children's lunchbox or snack box. Do try this recipe and let me know in comments how it turned out. And if you like it, please like the video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.